Check this out. It's the Sony BRAVIA Z Series. This is the 52-inch version of the Sony BRAVIA Z Series, and it is a mighty fine television. In fact, if you've been hearing all about how the new generation of HDTVs are all internet connected and they can do all this internet stuff, this is one of those TVs. It also features some very, very high-end specs. We're talking 100,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, 3,800 to 1 native. 100,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio means you're barely going to be able to tell the difference between black and off on this television, and you're really going to notice it when you sit down and start watching movies on this TV. 240 hertz, extremely smooth motion. We're talking 4 times the frame rate of the previous generation of HD TVs. BRAVIA Internet Video is actually one of the features of this. BRAVIA Internet Video giving you the ability to actually watch internet videos, stream them directly to your TV without having to have any other devices enabled. And it's also DLNA enabled, which means any other DLNA devices, and there are a lot of them now, are going to communicate directly with your television. So you're going to be able to pull music and photos and videos from other DLNA devices without having to go through any kind of setup process. You're also going to find that it does have the XMB navigation bar. The navigation is actually the same on this TV as it is on like the PlayStation 3. So actually navigating all of these features that this TV has is actually quite an easy experience. Let's take a look at all of the connectivity you're going to find on this particular television. It does have a total of 4 HDMI ports. Now, 4 HDMI ports means you're going to be able to hook up to quite a few devices without any trouble whatsoever, without needing a switch, without having to unplug and replug devices in. Over on the side, you're going to find a USB port. That USB port used to load media onto the television. You've also got VGA with audio back there for hooking up to your PC. You've got 3 HDMI ports on the side, as well as an S-video port and a pair of composite AV jacks over on the side as well. Now, looking at the back, you're going to find that you do have a pair of component inputs along with audio. You have your LAN back there. Now, that is Ethernet. That's so that you can actually access all of those internet streaming options. You also have your digital audio output port for hooking up to your home theater system, and an additional HDMI port on the rear as well. So you do have tons of options for hooking stuff up to this TV. Lots of HDMI ports, lots of component inputs, lots of flexibility with this television. It's a really great TV. You know when you hear the word Sony BRAVIA, you're getting a good television, and this one is certainly no different. It's the Sony KDL52Z5100, the 52-inch version of the BRAVIA Z Series from Sony. To get more info on the Sony KDL52Z5100, the BRAVIA Z Series, just do a search for S190-5226. For Computer TV, I'm Bauer.
Yeah.